Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini for video editing. We will begin by exploring how artificial intelligence can significantly enhance your video production. Gemini offers powerful tools to automate tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on creative storytelling. You will learn to streamline your entire editing process, making it more efficient and enjoyable. This guide will help you unlock new possibilities in your video projects. Gemini brings several core features to your editing suite. It can automatically detect scenes and segment clips, saving you hours of manual work. The AI also provides smart suggestions for transitions, visual effects, and even background music, helping you achieve a professional look and feel. Furthermore, you can use its powerful tools for precise color correction and to enhance audio quality, ensuring your video sounds as good as it looks. Integrating Gemini into your video editing workflow is straightforward. First, import your raw footage directly into the AI-powered editing environment. Gemini will then offer initial suggestions, which you can apply and refine manually to match your creative vision. This collaborative approach ensures a polished final product. Once satisfied, you can easily export your finished video in various formats, ready for sharing across different platforms and audiences. To maximize your AI editing potential, always provide clear and concise prompts to guide Gemini's artificial intelligence effectively. Remember to review and adjust any AI-generated edits to ensure they align perfectly with your unique creative vision. Don't be afraid to experiment with the various AI features. You might discover innovative ways to enhance your videos. With a balanced approach, you can achieve outstanding results in less time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.